Hi, I'm Adam with CPR Cell Phone Repair in St. Louis. Although we're primarily known for mobile phone and wireless phone repair, we also provide service for many other electronic devices, including but not limited to smartphones, iPhone and iPad, tablets, laptops, and game systems like Xbox and PS3. Do you have old or used cell phones that have already been replaced? If you're anything like me, they're probably taking up some space in your junk drawer. Regardless of how old they might be, it still feels like a waste to just throw them out, right? If so, then I've got some good news for you. Make back some of the cost of a new phone by selling your old phones for cash or trading them in for merchandise that you're actually going to use. It's a trend that's getting more and more popular these days, but make sure, if you're going to do this, to remember this piece of advice. People tend to forget how big of an invasion of privacy it could be selling your old cell phone. Maybe you have pictures of your family in front of your house with the address clearly visible. These days, there are even apps that allow you to track certain contacts by using GPS location. I'm not trying to scare you, but I want to alert you to real potential threats that exist these days. A reputable company will wipe your phone of any data and then prove it to you, so you leave with peace of mind. While exploring your different repair options, make sure you ask about the level of training the service technicians have. At CPR Cell Phone Repair, our technicians go through extensive training, so you can be assured your device is in the best hands of any of the St. Louis cell phone repair companies. If you're in need of St. Louis iPhone repair, water damage iPhone repair, touch screen phone repair, or really any type of cell phone repair, or maybe you just want to trade in your phone for cash or merchandise, please check us out at www.cellphonerepair-stlouis.com. Call us at 855-4CPR-STL, or of course, stop by any of our St. Louis area locations. Thanks for stopping by.